This course is an exciting program to make ramen and gyoza from scratch. My name is Fumio Okamoto, the owner and chief instructor of a Japanese cooking class. Since January 2017, I've been teaching Japanese food to foreigners from different countries. Finishing this course, you will be able to make various types of Japanese ramen and gyoza on your own. Some of the recipes are vegan friendly. Each section is independent and you can start learning from any section in this course. In the ramen section, you will master 3 types of noodles, 5 types of toppings, and 3 types of soups. In the gyoza section, you will master how to make 2 types of gyoza wrappers, 2 types of fillings, and 2 types of folding techniques. This course is designed for intermediate learners who want to master authentic cooking skills. If you are a ramen and gyoza lover, don't hesitate to join this course. I'm sure you will master delicious ramen and gyoza.